Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabu Tinku Foodies. Today I'm gonna be making a banana bread with a healthy twist. Don't worry, it checks all the boxes of the classic banana bread. It's soft, fluffy, moist, but at the same time loaded with goodness. To make it extra rich and decadent, I have added some dark chocolate chips and a slight touch of citrusy lemon zest. Apart from the whole wheat flour, this bread gets a good amount of nutrition from ragi, which is also called finger millet. As any other millet flour, it's rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. And the best part of this recipe is you can swap ragi with any other millet flour and it would taste equally delicious. If you're looking for a vegan, eggless, gluten-free option, you should definitely check out my Instagram for the IGTV video of gluten-free vegan banana bread. Before moving ahead, if you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. We'll start by mashing the bananas. Here I've taken 3 medium-sized ripe bananas. Keep in mind, the darker the banana, the sweeter it would be. That means you have to add very little sweetener in the bread and it would be mainly sweetened by the bananas. Now we'll keep this aside and prepare the wet mixture. Into a bowl we'll add oil, powdered jaggery. You can also replace it with sugar, honey or maple syrup. We'll beat it well. Now we'll crack 2 eggs and beat it again. We'll add in some vanilla extract and some citrusy flavor with lemon zest and lemon juice. We'll beat it again and add in the mashed bananas and give it a quick mix. Now keep this aside and let's prepare the dry mixture. Into a bowl we'll add whole wheat flour, ragi or finger millet flour, some salt, baking soda, baking powder, some cinnamon powder and give it a mix. At this stage, you can preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we'll fold in the dry mixture into the wet mixture. We have to mix it gently. Make sure not to overmix. Now we'll add in some pumpkin seeds into the batter. You can add any seeds or nuts of your choice. Some dark chocolate chips and fold them gently. Now we'll transfer this batter into a parchment paper lined loaf pan. We'll sprinkle some more seeds and some more chocolate chips. Let's bake it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. The banana bread is ready and we are going to let this cool a bit. And look how soft and fluffy it is. Now all you need to do is make a cup of coffee and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're also a fan of banana bread and want to try a healthier version, you should definitely give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for such healthy and yummy recipes from Tabutingu Foodies. Till then, happy eating. I'll see you next time.